Hi guys, this is your girl Mujale and I'm back at it again with a whole new video. If you are new to the family, please do show some love and support by liking and subscribing down below to be updated when I post new videos. As you can see, today we will be doing an unboxing of my 21st birthday gift. So if you'd like to see, please do stay tuned and let's get right into it. Anyway, okay, so I really don't know where to start. Well, these are all the gifts I got for my 21st birthday party, and they come from friends and family members. So let's get right into it and let's see. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna open first. Okay, let me move this way. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna open first. I don't know why my voice is doing this, but wow. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna start with, but I really don't know. Let me just go. I'm gonna start from the front and I'll go to there. So let's just go. Okay. So let's start with this. This comes from, it says to Mujale from Smuts Clan. So this comes from my aunt and her daughters. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so cute. So beautiful. I really do like it. It's really cute and beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to lock this bag. Let's move on. Let's move on to this one over here. So, okay, this doesn't have a name tag, but I know where it comes from. This comes from Shida and Brandy, and oh, they got me a summer gown. And when they gave this to me, they were like, "Cheers to more sleepovers." So they invited me for a sleepover. That's how they moved me PJs, and all these people are so cute. Oh, Minnie and Nikki, they're so cute. I'm really in love with them. Let's move on. Okay, are we moving on to this one? Okay, let's go to this. I don't have a clue, but I just wanted to. I'm not sure where this is from. Okay, there's a card before I go into. Oh, it says to Mujale. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Oh, you guys can see. It says to Mujale. Let's open it. Oh, this birthday card is so beautiful. Oh, this is from my aunt. It says to Mujale, wishing you everything wonderful on this special occasion and hoping each tomorrow brings the rewards you deserve. Congratulations. From Lucinda, love you lots. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. And outside on the box it says 21 today. With faith in your heart, start upward and climb until you reach your dream. Oh, this is so cute. This is so nice. I really like it. It's really so outside. This is really nice. Let's put this down. Oh, this is so cute. I got a whole bodysuit, guys. A whole white bodysuit. So this is an outfit basically that I got from my aunt. Oh, with a whole jean, guys. This is so beautiful. I'm so in love. I'm so in love. So this is how the jean looks, guys. I'm so in love. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much for this. Oh, I'm so happy. I've got a new outfit, guys. This is really beautiful. Really beautiful. I really do like it. Okay, let's move on to. Okay, let's leave this big one. Let's move on to. Let's move on maybe to this one. Oh, this is from Bradley. This is from my cousin Bradley. This is the packaging. Oh, I got keychains, guys. Cheers to many more sleepovers. This is so beautiful. I absolutely love this. I'm in love. I really like this. Thank you, Bradley. Okay. What do we move on to next? Okay, let me go to this. This is to Mujale from Matthew. This is also a friend of mine. Oh, he bought me perfume. Oh, I'm gonna be smelling good, guys. Oh, this is so good. Smells good, guys. It smells really good. And then, okay, let's go right into this. This is from NWJ Jewelry. Oh, I know this is my best friend. She works there. This is so cute. Happy birthday. Your birthday is the opening to an endless life of joy for you. May this year bring you happiness, fulfilled blessings in abundance, good luck and prosperity. Your sister, partner, and grand best friend, Moesha. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so this is how it looks though. Oh, this is how it looks. So I'm trying to. I literally don't wanna unbox it untidily, but it's so cute. I feel like I don't wanna open it. It's really packaged so beautiful, guys. Just look at this. I feel like I don't wanna open it. Okay, oh, I'm just gonna have to open it. This is so beautiful. I wonder what this is. See, guys. Oh, it's gold earrings. How nice. It's gold earrings, guys. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Thanks, best friend. I really do love this. I'm so in love. I'm not sure what's in here though. Let's try and read, guys. Let's try and read. beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is basically just the details of the earrings and everything, but this is so beautiful. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. This is really so beautiful. Oh no, my best friend just knows like what I love and what I like. This is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful, guys. I'm gonna be wearing those earrings a lot. I'm really gonna be wearing them a lot. Let's see. What else we're gonna be choosing? Okay, let's go for this. This came from my boyfriend. Oh, they're so beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're so cute. I'm really in love with sandals, guys. So these are really cute. I love them. This is very nice. Like for those who know, I love sandals. I love heels. Oh, I'm in love with this, guys. Like, oh, not. Okay, let's move to this. This is from To Mutually Happy Birthday Love, Tyrell, Megan, and kids. This is from my uncle, his partner, and his kids. This is so beautiful, guys. Just look at the packaging. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't want to open it ugly. I don't want to open it ugly, but anyway, let's get right into it. It's packaged so nice. So now for me, just to open it so roughly, just like smart. It's like they new. It's like they new. I like watches. But let me check, guys. I have a good feeling this is a watch. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. Just check the necklace. This is so, so beautiful. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you, Megan and Tyrell and kids. This is really beautiful. Oh, I'm overwhelmed, guys. It's like the new. I like watches. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm more than happy. Oh, how cute. Okay, let's move on to this one. This comes from my brand. Let's see, this is the packaging. Oh, it's also jewelry. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. Guys, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. This is really beautiful. Oh, thanks, friend. This is really, really beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. That's really, really, really beautiful. I'm so... Okay, so let's move on to this one. This is from With Love from Auntie Patience. This is my aunt. I like the gift box. It's so cute and pink. I love dark blue, guys, but this is so cute. I'm still a girl. Which girl doesn't like pink? Oh, this is so beautiful. It has my name on it. This is absolutely beautiful. A toiletry bag with my name on it. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh, I'm more than happy. This is so beautiful. And it smells so good. Oh, from the Body Shop. I've got a fragrance bath bomb in the fragrance Wild Pine. It smells so nice. It smells absolutely nice, guys. Then I've got a... Oh, can I show you guys? It's the bath bomb. And then I've got... Oh, Tropical Party Fresh Lemon Scented Candle. It smells so good. It smells so good, guys. It really smells good. And then I've got body butter. And what's in here? Shower gel. And then I've got like a... I'm sure it's like a... Let me check. I'm not sure if it's like a exfoliating rag or something. I think this is an exfoliating rag in here. But there's a rag in there. And then I got the shower gel with the body butter. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful from the Body Shop. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. And it smells so wonderful, guys. This is how it looks. Oh, it smells so wonderful. And it came with a gift bag. This is so beautiful. And then let's move on to the next. I'm not sure which one do I go to. Okay, let's move on to this. This gift bag is absolutely so cute. I love the yellow. This is from... Okay, guys, this is from Mommy Audrey and Nishaleen. This is so cute. So beautiful, guys. I'm getting so much slippers, guys. I think I've got a lot of pajamas and 2 pieces of slippers so far. This is so beautiful. Oh, it's so cute. I like the yellow. And then we have yellow pajamas, which is so cute. We've got yellow pajamas, guys. Summer pajamas. I love PJs, guys. I really love PJs. I love PJs. It's like everybody just knew what they were doing because they bought everything that I like. Wow. Sorry. Wow. I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, let's go this side. This says lots of love from the Puri family, Anketa and the Van der Westhuizen family. Okay, so this is from my family members. I got, oh, this is such a good, no, it's good, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay, I can't untangle this, but because the mini chains on here, it just got tangled. But this is a chain set from Edgar's, which is so beautiful. And I've got pearl earrings, guys. I've got pearl earrings. This is beautiful. I'm absolutely in love. And then, oh, this is so beautiful. This is a leather journal. I'm sure it has, I'm not sure if there's scripture in here, but it's a leather journal. This is so beautiful. I'm not sure if there's daily scriptures in here, but this is something I need in my life. Oh, this is really something I need in my life, guys. Thank you so much to the Puri family, Auntie Kita, and the Van der Westhuizen family. This is so beautiful. I'm overwhelmed. I needed this in an episode. I'm happy. I'm so happy. This is beautiful. I can't wait to open this. I'm not sure if I should open it now to see what's inside of it. Let's just do it. I don't want to damage it. Okay. So I opened it, and this is how it looks. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm so in love. And then let's see. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a journal, and it has everyday scripture underneath. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see the scriptures are here. This is so beautiful. Oh, I'm so in love. I'm really so in love. This is so beautiful. And then, this is something, guys. Okay, let's move on to this one then. This is from, let's see, Kevin and Mikey, which is with me. This is from Kevin and with me. Celebrate. I love the gift bag. It's so beautiful. Guys, look at the again, guys. I'm having a lot of sleepovers, guys. A lot of sleepovers. This is absolutely so beautiful. And it's pink. So cute. It's very cute. Oh, and I've got a night dress, which is so cute with butterflies. This is awesome. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And then let's move on to this one. This is from, okay. Oh, I think I know who this is from. This is from Percy and Lakmali. This is absolutely beautiful. This is like a leather dungaree. I love the color. This is beautiful. Oh, this is honestly very beautiful. I'm not sure if there's a name. Oh yes, it does say Percy and Lakmali. Oh, this is so beautiful. And it has like a crop top type of vibe. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, the head comes through here, and then, oh, this is actually absolutely beautiful. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, let's go from here. This is another package. This is also from Puri and Ankita and Van der Westhuizen family. I'm overwhelmed, guys. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. I love bath salts and hand creams and shower gels. This is so beautiful. It smells so good. It smells really nice. Thank you so much. I'm moving on to, this comes from my aunt and pops, Danielle and Gart. A set of towels, guys, and they're white. They're white. This is so beautiful. Guys, I've got a set of white towels. This is so beautiful. So it's 3 sets of white towels. I think it's the long one, then it's the medium and the short one. This is beautiful. It's really beautiful. I'm just gonna put those there because I don't know what to put it. So this gift over here is from my mother, my sister, and Uncle Junior. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful. This is absolutely so beautiful. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, thank you, Uncle Junior. This is so beautiful. It's like they know I like a watch thing. They obviously know I like a watch thing. But thank you so much. Okay, let's open this one first. Oh, it's so cute. Doesn't say anything. But I think it's from Cleo Logan and Money. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful. I think this is it's an ankle bracelet. Stunning. And then I got earrings. Not sure you guys can see it. But I got earrings. They're stunning. I'm so in love. And then I've got an eyeshadow palette, which is so beautiful. And then I've got candles. Oh, it doesn't have a smell. I threw it out as well. Yeah, I don't know if it's scented, but maybe they are. They're so beautiful. The 3 of them. They're absolutely so beautiful. I've got 3, guys. They're so beautiful. They really are. Thank you so much to everybody. To this packaging. First comes from Just white towels. Oh, so cute, guys. I'm gonna have a lot of white towels, which is so beautiful. So this is also a towel set, and it says Munchie Happy Birthday, Love Tim and Africa Fan. This is from my in-laws. So beautiful. I love these towels. I love white towels, guys. I love everything. This is so beautiful, guys. I love gifts. White towels are so unique, you know. They're just nice. There's something about white towels that it's just really nice. That's from my in-laws. Those towels from my in-laws. Let's move to this. I'm sure this packaging just broke as they were moving it into the car, but this is how it looks. It says happy birthday. And this is from Chanel and Jeffrey, if I'm not mistaken. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh, I need something like this because I don't like to walk around with a big bag if I go to simple places. So I can just put my phone in my car and I'm good to go. This is so beautiful. Thanks. I must just find out from them, but I have a good feeling this comes from Jeffrey and Chanel. And then I have a purse. Oh, this is absolutely so beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. This purse is so nice. This purse is really beautiful. This facing. But anyway, let's move on. This is beautiful. Thank you, guys. And then it's big, so let's save the best for last. It's big. Okay, guys. They follow the team. This is so beautiful. This is my team for my 21st. Forest Green was my team. So they actually literally follow the team. This is so beautiful. This is absolutely very beautiful. Anyway, let's move right on. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. Let's see who this is from. Oh, it has a tag. It says, Happy 21st birthday, Mujale. May this next trip to be blessed and beautiful in every way. Love, Auntie Marsha, Uncle Stan, Natalie Segrin, and Darren. Oh, this is from the Ready Bag. This is so beautiful. I'm in love with this bag, guys. No one would understand how in love I am with this bag. This is absolutely so beautiful. You guys can see it. It's so beautiful. It's very beautiful. There's something else in the bag, so let me just continue checking. So then there's this. Oh, this is an eyeshadow palette. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you so much. And then let's open this chicken. So let's open this. It's a gift from American Swiss. Let's just see what's inside. A ring, guys. A ring. And I wanted a ring for my birthday. I really wanted a ring for my birthday. So beautiful. It's really so gorgeous. This is so stunning. I'm really in love with it. So beautiful. Thank you so much. And guys, I really don't know what it is. Inside, I got something else. A dress. A kimono dress, guys. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. Just look how nice I look already. I look nice already. I got a whole outfit already, guys. The bag, the ring, the dress, eyeshadow. I'm good to go. This is absolutely so beautiful. It's so stunning. And I just want to say thank you to everyone for the gifts. I really appreciate it.